Larry here in the Home Synergy Center at Computer Advantage, where we sell Sonos products. We're super excited about the Sonos Beam coming out in July. Pre-order it here with us. We're going to talk a little bit about it today and answer the question, what is Sonos? Because believe it or not, almost every day in our store, people are asking that exact question, what is Sonos? Essentially, Sonos is speakers. They stream music via Wi-Fi, and they're also capable of hooking up to your television to play back TV sound. They've had a play bar for a long time. Within the last couple of years, they've released a play bass that sits under your television. Sounds amazing. That's my personal speaker. That's what I have at home. And now, in July, they have a Sonos Beam coming out. It is smaller, but also more intelligent than the play bar. Price point, $399. We really are excited about that. So what kind of questions are people asking about the Sonos Beam? Well, question number one, do I have to use it just for my television? Our answer would be no. It's going to be wall mountable. It's going to look good regardless of where you put it. It's going to cost a little bit less than the Play 5 does, so it might be a good speaker to put as in other rooms of your house where you would normally have used maybe a Play 3 in the past. So because it has Amazon Alexa integration and it's going to basically ship with AirPlay 2 capabilities, it's going to be a very, very smart speaker choice for your room. So you're asking, well, how does this whole Alexa thing work? The Sonos Beam's can have like 5 microphones in it. It's going to be designed to listen for your voice even while the music is on from far field. It's going to be smart enough to reject, like if you here's the word Alexa or something like that on TV during television playback, it's going to actually ignore it there. So it's going to be a smart speaker. It's going to be a very good sounding speaker from Sonos. So what really is Sonos and what do they offer or support? Well, Sonos speakers support right now over 60 music streaming services. So everything from Apple Music to Amazon Music to Spotify, Pandora, all the radio stations that you can listen to online through like Tuned In, all of that can be played back through the internet directly to these speakers. All of the Sonos speakers can hook up wirelessly, even though lots of them have Ethernet ports if you want the direct connectivity to the internet. Unlike some speakers, you're not limited to the limitations of Bluetooth as far as how far you are from the speaker, your device actually connecting to playback. The Sonos app is how you're controlling the speakers, unless you enable the Amazon skill and you are able to talk to like your Sonos One, or your Beam is going to have Alexa support as well. Then you can talk directly to the speaker and say things like, hey Alexa, play this playlist on Pandora in my living room, and through the internet and the magic of Amazon Alexa, you'll have music playing. It's actually pretty fantastic. Here's the thing that we like most about Sonos speakers is they have solutions that are inexpensive. The Play One is only $149. They currently offer speaker sets, so if you're buying sets of speakers, multiple Sonos Ones or Play 5s or maybe a Play bar and a sub, things like that, you do get a slight discount. Another thing that we really like about Sonos products is their reliability is off the chart. Believe it or not, there is an incredibly high percentage of Sonos products that are still in use even though they were released years ago. There's very little end of life happening in the Sonos lineup. This product is designed to be able to be updated over the internet, so new features and firmware updates, if the product will support it, they will come to that speaker, which is really, really nice. You never feel like you're going to have anything that's outdated or not supported or not able to work. They're also very, very reliable. The failure rate on Sonos products is minuscule. Their support is off the chart. It's absolutely amazing. So it's not a matter of if you need Sonos, it's a matter of, yes, you need Sonos products in your life. They are very, very good sounding and they look amazing, they sound amazing. So let's quickly go through just the lineup. It starts with the Play One. That's their smallest speaker. My favorite thing about it, especially because we are in one of our locations is right here in Florida, they are humidity resistant. So you can leave it under, outside in your lanai or something like that. You don't want it to get directly rained on, but mine stays outside all the time in my lanai, and it's perfectly fine, hasn't failed yet. We hear story after story of people that are using these Play Ones outside. The Sonos one is kind of the next step up. It's the one that is voice enabled. It's the same size, really looks sharp. It's got a different look than the Play One. Those are $199 when you buy them individually. Great sounding speaker, and with Alexa you can do a lot of smart things, control smart devices through the Alexa integration there. So all of a sudden, if you have like Lutron Caseta lights, you can Alexa, turn off my kitchen lights, or Alexa, good night. And you can have scenes that are set and lights go up and blinds close, and all of those things can happen through that integration, which is really, really nice. The next step up in the lineup has been the Play 3. The Play 3 is still available here and there. We might have a demo model left. So as far as being the middle priced speaker, the Sonos Beam is that speaker. So it's less than the Play 5, but it's more than the Sonos One. So it's falling right in the middle at $399. The Play 3 I think was $249 before. Still a great speaker. If you can pick up a Play 3 or 2 to use as your rears and surround sound, or to put different spots in your house, great sounding speaker, not a bad choice at all. The Sonos Beam is the new one, shipping in July. It is going to be a great sounding speaker. It's going to look good. It's going to be like a miniature sound bar size. So if you can kind of have that in your mind, you can check it out online. Check out these pictures. Look how sleek that is. It's going to be wall mountable, black, white, really, really good speaker. A lot of smart things went into this design for the Sonos Beam. You're going to love it. Then the Play 5 is still in the lineup. This is the second generation of the Play 5. It does have a really, really nice look to it, but the sound of a Play 5 is immersive is the only way to describe it. It is absolutely fantastic. Price point on it is $499. Well worth it though. Great sounding speaker. Then they have, of course, the Play Bass and the Play Bar. These are designed to take your television audio as well. And then Sonos makes a subwoofer, this sub that's behind me, available in black or white. The sub actually, it's a great sounding sub, but when it's incorporated into the system, it takes some of the bass needs away from the Play Bar and Play Bass so that they can focus on producing your mids and highs, and it really does balance out the system and make it sound incredible. Sonos also has a little Connect amp, so if you need to connect the Sonos to existing speakers, or you want to use in-ceiling speakers or other types of speakers, the Connect amp is a good choice to get that Sonos ecosystem to other speakers. I believe that price point is still $499. Really, really good product. So again, we're looking forward to the Sonos Beam. It'll be in our stores on launch day. We will do an unboxing video. We will check this speaker out for you, give you our opinion, and probably play it against a couple of other things, because that's the kind of stuff that we like to do.